Hey guys, I'm very excited to make this video. I am bringing you along as I pack for Disney World. We are so excited and in much need of this vacation. We didn't go last year because of Bentley being born, which is totally worth missing the trip. But needless to say, we've been looking forward to this trip since the last time we were there 2 years ago. And it's just gonna be a good time. We're going with a lot of Dan's family. There's like 21 of us total. And you guys saw my previous Disney videos. You guys know that my husband is quite the Disney buff. He does all the planning. He plans all the fast passes and all the rides and coordinates everything. And so for me, I like doing the outfit planning and fashion planning, if you will. Disney World is always a great excuse to wear red, which is my favorite color to wear other than black. Polka dots. A lot of red and a lot of polka dots. And I've been shopping and picking things up here and there for the last 2 months or so. And for the kids too, because it's just so fun. So I wanted to kind of bring you along. I've done these packing videos with you in the past and you guys always seem to like them. My fashion videos are some of my most watched on my channel, so I thought it'd be fun. I love sharing my outfits and posts on Instagram too, but I realize that not everybody has Instagram that watches, or they just watch me on YouTube, and so I wanted to share these things on YouTube and not just on Instagram. If you do follow me on Instagram, you'll see a lot of these outfits obviously on my Instagram while we're in Disney, but I just wanted to show you what I'm bringing, kind of hear the thought process, show you where everything is from. I'm also, I think, going to try everything on. So I might have to film this video over the course of a few days because I think it's gonna be intensive as far as like trying everything on and filming. So if I look different throughout the video, that's why. We're gonna be there for 10 days. So I have 10 outfits for dinner, and then we're gonna be in the park. I think we have 7 days scheduled in the park. So I have some park outfits and I have some dinner outfits. And I'm trying to keep in mind that it's gonna be sweltering hot like it always is. I'm excited because we're a week away, a little over a week away, and I'm on my A game. I'm ahead of time, and that's why I'm able to film this video. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you everything laid out on my bed. I'll just kind of show you an overview, and then I'll break it down by park outfits and nighttime outfits. And some of you might think I'm crazy, but I know I'm not the only one that outfit plans when I go on vacation. So this is just what I like to do. All right, let's get started. You will notice a common theme. There is a lot of red and black. There are some polka dots that are hiding underneath this dress. But I have kind of laid out my night, like dinner outfits. We go to dinner, we go to downtown Disney. Sometimes we even go back to the park. And I have like my daytime, what I'm gonna wear inside the park. Nothing is really fancy. I just like to be comfortable. That's kind of my style overall. So let me kind of start changing into things and I'll show you everything. I'm gonna start with what I'm packing for the parks. Outfit number 1, this is a black polka dot shirt that I got from Target. The reason I love it, and I think it would make a great park day top, is it's so light and flimsy, although I know that it's black, but it's so lightweight. It feels like there's nothing to it. So it'll be light and airy. And then my jean shorts are from Nordstrom. They're under $50, and I purchased them a while back because I thought that they reminded me a lot of my 1 teaspoons, which are my favorite. So this will be one outfit. I'll share with you the shoes that I'm bringing towards the end. Outfit number 2, I definitely wanted to bring along my jean short overalls. These are from Madewell, and I paired a really cute and also lightweight tank underneath. This is actually from the Target Junk Food for Disney line that you'll see some other pieces from as well. I actually got a bunch of their stuff for the kids too. But this is a very lightweight tank. I'm wearing an extra small, and I thought this would be really cute underneath overalls. I thought that this would be such a cute Disney outfit with some mini ears. But this is another one of those tanks from the Junk Food Disney line for Target. It's a muscle tank, has a cute little tie here. And then these black shorts are from Nordstrom. I love them. I do need to like iron down the fray and the fringe because they're a little wonky, but they're very comfortable. They come up a little bit high-waisted, they fit like a glove. So I definitely wanted to bring these along, and I like that they're kind of like a faded black. This is another really comfortable outfit. These are my new 1 teaspoons. I've had my other ones for 4 years and they were looking 4 years old. So I tossed them and I replaced them with these. And I love 1 teaspoons because they're just so comfortable and they are so weightless. And then this muscle tank is from a shop called License to Boot. They make a lot of like country and Nashville wear, and I love this little Thunderbird. I just knotted it here, and I just have on like a red, pretty long bralette underneath to just peek out. So this will be a comfortable outfit when it's scorching hot. I think I shared this shirt on Instagram. I love it so much. It's got little strawberries all over it. It has a little tie here. And if you like this print, Madewell actually makes a dress with strawberries, and I want to say shorts and maybe even a jacket. And then I scooped up these little like mom shorts, I'm calling them. They're high-waisted, but they're like baggy. I don't know, they're kind of cute. And I just like the color of them. I wanted red shorts to go with this shirt. So these are from ASOS, very inexpensive. Last thing I have to show you that I'm bringing to wear to the parks is this dress. And this is by Leaf. I have it in black as well. It comes in like 12 colors. I love this like lipstick red color. I love that it's kind of a tank, strapless. I might end up just keeping this as a nighttime like dinner outfit, but I love dresses for the park because they're just so comfortable, and this is very lightweight. It's one piece. You don't have like shorts riding up or anything like that, and I love that it's red. So I don't know, it might be a little dressy for the park. We'll see. If I paired it with some like white, my white Saludo sneakers, I think it would dress it down, maybe like a baseball cap. I'm not really sure, but I'm bringing this regardless to either wear in the daytime or at nighttime. So those are all of the outfits that I'm going to be bringing with me to the park. There's also two more that I haven't gotten yet. One is a amazing bright yellow Mickey Mouse bodysuit. I got it from Forever 21, and I got a matching one from Addison. That one is not here yet, that shipment. So that'll be coming with me. I'll probably just throw that on with some 1 teaspoon shorts. And the other thing I have is a romper coming. I thought it would be a good idea to bring a romper because again, it's a one piece, it's light, it's spaghetti strap. So it'll keep me nice and cool, and it's also very cute. I think it was under $50. So that's not here either yet, but those will be coming in my suitcase as well. And now I'm going to try on the nighttime outfits that I'm bringing. Love this dress. I picked this up at Target in their clearance section, so I don't know if I'll be able to link it online, but I'll try to find it. I know it also came in black as well, but I thought the white and black polka dot was different. Everything else I have is black and white polka dot, but I just thought this would be really cute paired with some red lipstick. Not really sure what kind of shoes I want to wear, but this is a really, really lightweight material. I love the little peekaboo there. I like that it ties in the front. It's just a really cute dress for Florida. And then this is kind of similar to the white one I showed you, but this is shorter. It does still have the little peekaboo here. And I might actually end up wearing this in the park one day just because, again, it's kind of like that top. It's very, very lightweight and flimsy. There's not much to it, so I know it'll keep me cool. It's a very cute, like flirty, feminine dress. And I just sucker for polka dots, you guys. All right, I wore this one on Instagram already. I wore it to the Jersey Shore when we went last weekend. This is from Loft, and I picked it up when it was 40% off. I love it because it's such a lightweight linen material, and I love this trend of like linen and buttons going down. I have a couple tops like this too. It has pockets. It's a really cute, just like summer nights dress, and I just love how lightweight it is. This is another dress from Loft, and I shared this on Instagram. I love this little black dress. It's off the shoulder and very elastic. I like that it kind of comes up there at the base. This is another one of those very light, loose fitting dress. I have a little tie here. You can cinch in the waist a little bit. You could unbutton these if you wanted to. You could even wear it up higher on the shoulder or like wear it as sleeves. I prefer it off the shoulder. But this is just a very good everyday, even like for dinner, date night, really cute black dress. Seems that I get a chambray dress every season. This was mine for this season. I got this back around Memorial Day. I wore it for Memorial Day. And I love the detail. It's so simple and it's very light. And I actually picked up a dress from Target, I think, for Addie that kind of matches. I love matching with her. So it's just a good chambray. I could dress it up with some cute red head wrap or some white espadrilles. Simple summer dress. So excited for this dress. I haven't even worn it yet. This is from Stella Dot, and I love this. Palm print in black. It's got a lot of movement. It's very flirty. Again, very loose and very airy, lightweight, and you also can take the straps down, cinch it down, and wear it as a maxi skirt with like a cute black tie tank. So I am gonna bring a black tank just in case if I'm in the mood for wearing it more as a skirt, but I absolutely love this. It's like a really cute little moo dress, especially if you had a baby belly. This would make an amazing maternity dress. So I am super happy to bring this one. Then I am bringing my white skinnies. These are by 7. I picked them up before this, like back in the spring, like late winter, and I love them. I've already worn them a ton, and I just brought a couple tops to bring along. So when I first saw this shirt online, I thought, oh no. I thought it looked like a giant picnic blanket. But when I tried it on, I really liked it. So you guys will have to let me know what you think. I know it's probably not for everyone, but I love that it's gingham. I love that it's off the shoulder. These big, obnoxious ruffles. I just love them. It's just a cute little baby doll top. This is another little red tank that I got from Target. I actually got this from the Who What Wear line, which is not sold at every Target. I was in one that had the line, and that's where the other top came from as well. The Who What Wear is a little bit more of a fancier line, I guess I could say. It's a little bit more pricey, and the quality is a little bit better. Prices are obviously a little bit higher too, but I really like this shirt. It's a red and white striped seersucker. I actually ended up having to exchange it for a smaller size because it was quite big. So if you guys are gonna order this online, I would encourage you to size down. It again has this like obnoxious ruffle, but I kind of love it. So I think it looks really cute with white skinnies too. I've already gotten my fair share of use and wear out of this top as well, but I can't get enough. This is another Stella Dot top, and I just have it kind of tucked in there, and I paired it with just my favorite mom jeans, my ripped mom jeans, just for a casual night out. I love this top, and I love the shade of red. Could also wear this with my white skinnies as well. This is an oldie but goodie top. I bought it a while ago, and I don't think it's available online, but it remains one of my very favorite tops because of these sleeves, and I just paired it with a denim skirt from Madewell. So this is another really easy outfit. Love this. Okay, I am winded. I also wanted to share with you the bathing suits that I'm gonna be bringing, and also the shoes. I don't think I'm gonna try on the bathing suits. I'll just lay them out on the bed and I'll show you. I've tried on a lot of these on Instagram, so I'll insert clips of those if I have them. I'm bringing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bathing suits. You might think that's a lot, and it is, but we are going for 10 days, and I do not like putting on a wet bathing suit. So on the days that we maybe like swim during the day and then go back in at night, I'm probably gonna wear 2 different suits because just, I don't like putting on wet bathing suits. So that's why I have a lot here. So I have this black one piece. It's really cute. Back is really pretty. It's like a very deep back, but it's very simple. It's a good mom suit. It has ruffles. My favorite suit is this one, and this also comes in a 2-piece as well that's reversible with the floral and the stripes. So I'll link the bikini underneath this one, but this is an amazing one piece, really good price point. I wore this already a couple weekends ago when we went to Jersey. This is my favorite of all the ones I just shared with you. I wore this one down the beach, and it's just so comfortable, and it like holds you in all the right places. The back is really cute, and I love the mix of pattern. It's actually like a khaki green. When I first ordered it, I thought it was black, but it's actually a khaki green, and the inside is khaki green. But I love the mix of like floral and stripes, and let me turn around so I can show you the back. So not the best for laying out because of tan lines, but I love the back detailing here, and it's also full coverage on the booty. So it's amazing mom suit. The 2 one pieces. This bathing suit I got on Amazon. It was like under $25, and it fits so good. These are high-waisted, so holds everything in. And here's one more. I actually got this back before Mexico, and I never wore it in Mexico. This is from Amazon, and it I think was 20 bucks, and it is so cute. And I love the top because it can double as like a top if you're into the crop top thing. This is kind of weird, this like strap thing, but I guess it's part of the detail, and it is adjustable. Also very weird, but it's got some padding, and it's off the shoulder, and this like stays. So you can move around. I'm bummed that I didn't get to wear this in Mexico because it's so cute, but this will be coming to Disney World with me. But it's a good suit for comfort and for fashion, and also for chasing after little ones. Everything stays in. And then these 2 also are high-waisted bottoms. This is from Albion Fit. Actually got the matching little girl's ruffled suit for Addie, so we can match one day. This adorable red suit, which you might have seen on my Instagram. Red and polka dots, you guys know, and any excuse for me to wear red, I love it. And then I found this adorable polka dot bikini, this cute little bow, and these are high-waisted briefs. And this is just a little bikini that I got from TJ Maxx this past year. So those are all the bathing suits I'm bringing. I just wanted to show you some of the hats that I'm taking. This one I always bring. It's a good sun hat, even in the park. This is from the Junk Food for Target line. Really cute, and it's red. And then I just have some headscarves. This is super old. I don't remember where it's from. This is from Madewell, and this black polka dot little scrunchie is from Free People. So I will link all the bathing suits and hair accessories and hats below. These are all the shoes I'm bringing with me. I'll probably primarily wear those in the parks. As much as I love my flats, and these are actually very comfortable, my feet just get trampled on between people and the baby stroller. My feet take such a beating in Disney every year. So I've learned my lesson, and I'm probably gonna just be wearing these and maybe even these too. These are like Birkenstocks, and they're so incredibly comfortable, and being that they're up on a little bit of a platform, my feet don't have to be trampled all over. And same with these. I might be okay with wearing these in the park. These are ridiculously comfortable. They feel like you're walking on clouds, and I think I could pretty much walk around in them all day. They're not super high. They're very easy to walk in, and I have worn them like for an entire day before. Granted, I wasn't walking, but the first time I ever wore them, I wore them all day, and they were so comfortable. And then for going out at night, I'm wearing a lot of black and white, so I'll probably have those on. These obviously, my flat white, and then I love these, especially to wear with my white skinnies and all the red I shared with you guys, or even in the park too. I think I would maybe even consider wearing these in the park because they have a little bit of lift as well. My jean shorts and overalls, I think those are good. These Saludos are incredibly comfortable. They're so soft and squishy. Your feet just like melt into them. These are also very comfortable. I like the black and white going on. And then for the pool, I usually just wear slides. So either these or these. These are my favorite. They're so comfortable. These are the 3 bags that I'm bringing with me, both nights out and also in the park. This is my Louis Vuitton Palm Springs BB mini bag, and I bought this 2 years ago for Disney, and it was one of the best investments that I made. I love it because you can wear it as a traditional backpack. You also can wear it as a crossbody bag, so you can do a lot with the straps. And this was really handy both in the park and as a nighttime, like, I don't want to say evening bag, but you know, a bag to carry your essentials at night. I plan on also having my Louis Vuitton Neverfull with me, which will act as my carry-all like diaper bag on the plane, and have that with me in the park every day. That'll have all of the things I need for mainly Bentley. I wanted to have like a separate bag just for my stuff. So this is going to come with me again. And then this is from Stella Dot. This is one of their belt bags. It's kind of like a fanny pack, a modern day fanny pack. And I love this one because you can actually detach this top pouch, just comes off that loop, and you can use this as a wallet, so I could put my cash and stuff inside my Neverfull if I wanted to. I could also wear this as a crossbody bag, or go through my belt loops on my jean shorts and wear it as like a fanny pack in the parks. And it's a good size. I like that there's 2 pouches, so you can carry a lot, and I really honestly don't carry that much aside from my phone, maybe a tube of lip gloss, my sunscreen, like my face sunscreen, and some tissues. Everything else will be in my carry-all. And then this is one of my newest purchases. I've never owned a red handbag, and I just love the Gucci red. I don't know the exact name of what they call this color, but I just love this red. I looked at a lot of different designers, and the reds were either too deep or too burgundy or too tomato. This is like a true red. And what I love about this bag is it's also a great little evening bag. You can tuck the chain in, just use it as a clutch. Obviously wear it as a crossbody. And the other thing you can do with this is wear this as a fanny pack, kind of like loop the chain around. And there is a little, see if I can do this one-handed. There's a little D-ring in here that you attach it to go around your waist. So I thought this would be cute, and it's really lightweight. It's not bulky or heavy. Same with this. So it's not adding, you know, extra weight to your outfit, to your body, especially because it's so hot in Disney. So those are going to be my 3 little clutches, crossbodies for the parks and at night, along with my Neverfull. And these also package really nicely in my carry-on on the airplane, so I don't have to worry about packing, you know, expensive handbags and getting them stolen.